Hi, my name's Morty Lefko. My wife Shelley and I will be guiding you through this program. Before we begin, I want you to know a little bit about how this program works and why we know it will work for you. First, my company has helped over 13,000 people in 32 countries to make major changes in their lives. We've helped them solve common problems like fear of public speaking and more extreme issues like depression and eating disorders. Many of our clients had a lack of self-esteem and self-confidence as core issues causing many of their problems. Because we've been able to help these people radically alter their self-concept and their behavior, we know we can do the same for you. Based on 23 years of experience helping people, we discovered that for most people, there are 19 different beliefs that contribute to a lack of self-confidence and an over-concern about what people think of us. To ensure that you totally get rid of these two related problems, we've included all 19 beliefs in this program. We also know, based on our experience, that some emotions are not caused by beliefs. Instead, they're caused by emotional conditioning. Emotional conditioning is when you have a feeling over and over in specific situations that is not caused by beliefs. Examples are feeling anxiety whenever you're criticized, or feeling anxiety if you disappoint people or are rejected. So to make this program complete, we added a segment to it that helps you get rid of emotional conditioning. This section works best after you've eliminated many of the beliefs in this program, so you'll find these deconditioning exercises near the end. As you go through the program, you'll notice some improvements in your confidence and a reduction in your concern for what others think of you. Some of the changes will be subtle at first, and as you eliminate more beliefs, the changes will just get bigger. Here are 3 important tips before moving on. First, in order to totally get rid of your lack of self-confidence and your concern with the opinion of others, you need to get rid of all the beliefs that cause that problem. Now, you may not have all of the beliefs and conditionings on this program, but you must eliminate all the ones you do have for your lack of self-confidence and your need for the approval of others to be totally gone. Second, there are some principles I explain in going through the first 5 beliefs that you should understand to have the process be as effective as possible, but which don't need to be repeated for each subsequent belief. So I'll not mention them again, assuming that you've already learned them. As you work on subsequent beliefs, you will notice less and less detail in the process. Once you've understood certain principles, I don't need to keep repeating them. So please make sure you eliminate the beliefs in order. One final thing. Please make sure you watch the first few minutes of every belief before deciding that you do or do not have the belief. You may think that you don't have the belief before I ask you a few questions and point out a few things. After that, you may realize that you actually do have the belief. When you eliminate all the beliefs you actually have and decondition the conditionings, your lack of self-confidence and your need to be accepted by others totally disappears. I actually guarantee it. How can I guarantee it? Because the Lefko method has worked with over 13,000 people already, and 2 independent research studies conducted by psychologists at the University of Arizona prove that when beliefs are permanently eliminated, there are lasting, profound emotional and behavioral changes.